If you need to remove a device from your Sezzle account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your Sezzle account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Sezzle website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Access Device Management. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Device Management or Security. Click on this option to view all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. In the Device Management section, you will see a list of devices associated with your account. Identify the device you wish to remove and select it. Step 5. Confirm device removal. After selecting the device, there should be an option to remove or disconnect it. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can easily remove a device from your Sezzle account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Sezzle's customer support for further assistance.